Chapter 2. Watching at ncert.digital. Chapter 2. Let us read. The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Once there was a man who sold caps. He carried many caps in a basket on his head. He was a cap seller. One day, he slept under a tree. There were monkeys on the tree. They came down from the tree. They took away all the caps. At ncert.digital. The cap seller woke up. He saw the basket was empty. He looked around and above. The monkeys were wearing his caps. What do you think the cap seller would do now? The cap seller shook his fists at the monkeys. They also did the same. The cap seller scratched his head. The monkeys did the same. The cap seller had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it into the empty basket. 56. At ncert.digital. The monkeys also did the same. The cap seller got all his caps back and went away happily. Note to the teacher: with the help of the pictures, narrate the story in simple English using voice modulation and actions. Draw the attention of the children to the details in the illustrations. Ask questions to elicit answers in English. Even if a child answers in one word like cap instead of "this is a cap," accept the answer. Ensure that the children have understood the story. After a few days, repeat the story to reinforce the usage of English words. At ncert.digital. Answer the following questions. 1. Do you have a cap? What is its color? 2. Why do you think the monkeys threw the caps in the basket? B. What is the first sound of the words in each row? 1 cap cat coat. 2 monkey mango mouse. 3 basket bat ball. Let us write. A. Circle the words that start with the same sound in each row. Car tap can rat cat hat cow. Mat man pan mango banana mug rug. ert.digital. DD dog. GG goat. JJ jug. EE elephant. HH hen. KK kite. FF fish. I ink pot. LL lion. 61. At ncert.digital. Monkey. PP parrot. SS snake. NN nest. QQ quill. TT tiger. Owl. RR rat. UU uniform. 62. At ncert.digital. VV van. WW whale. XX x-ray. YY yak. ZZ zebra. Now write your name here. 63. At ncert.digital. Butterflies. Butterflies, butterflies. Up, up, up. Butterflies, butterflies. Down, down, down. Butterflies, butterflies. In, in. Butterflies, butterflies. Out, out, out. Would you like to replace butterflies with anything else? Try. Let the children repeat after you and then let them sing it on their own with actions. 64. at ncert.digital. Answer the questions. Teacher, look up. What do you see on the tree? Child, I see. On the tree. Teacher, look down. What do you see on the ground? Child, I see. On the ground. Teacher, look up. What do you see in the sky? Child, I see. In the sky. '66. At ncert.digital. Encircle the words that have P in them. Put cap, pat, mat, top, sat, cat, fan, pink, tan, apple, tap. B. Encircle the matching letters in each row. 1 T, F, P, F. 2 B, C, D, B, R, Q. 3 O, Q, N, O, R. 4 W, X, M, W, V. 67. At ncert.digital. C. Match the words with the same initial syllable. Hop, sand, jump, run, dance, dog, hide, socks, rat, jet. Let us speak. Listen and repeat. Some words have two-syllable. Notice the words below: monkey, cellar, mon, key, cell, basket, bas, donkey, cat, dawn, key. Note to the teacher: key. Let children clap for each syllable, e.g., 2 claps for mon key. 68. At ncert.digital. Catch me if you can. A fat cat sat on a mat. I can catch you, little rat, said the cat. A little rat saw her and hid in a hat. 69. At ncert.digital. No, you can't, said the rat. The cat ran to catch the rat. The rat ran and hid in a box. 70. At ncert.digital. The lid of the box did not open. Ha, ha. You can't catch me, big cat, said the rat. Help the mouse reach its home. At ncert.digital. A. Close your eyes and listen to the words said by your teacher. Kate sat, bat, fat, mat, hat. What is the first sound in each of these words? What is common in all these words? B. Let us make words by adding one letter to it as shown. The first has been done for you. B, C, M, F, R, H. Bat at. C. Listen and do the actions that your teacher says. Catch the ball. Throw the ball. Hide under a table. Open your pencil box or bag. Close your pencil box or bag. Say hooray. 72. At ncert.digital. D. And now listen to the following words. Do you know what they mean? Ask your teacher. Catch tea. row, hide, open, say, close. Let us read. Try to read the story Catch Me If You Can again by yourself. What shall we make? A cat and a rat? Let us do. Look at the mask of a cat from the last page of your book. 1. Cut out the mask with the help of your teacher. 2. Make holes on the sides. 4. Tie strings in these holes. Our mask is ready to use. Now, think about the steps for making a mask of a rat. Tell your friends how to make a mask of a rat. Are your masks ready? Enact the story. The insects, flowers, birds, animals, and trees around your home. Draw some of these and tell your friends more about them. 74. At ncert.digital. Help these animals find their homes. B. Ask anyone in your family to tell you a story about animals. Try to share the story in English in the class. Listen to the stories shared by your friends in class. C. In small groups, choose any story that you heard or shared in the class. Draw pictures for the story. Present the story in class.
Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe.